use division algorithm to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, we need to use Euclid division algorithm to show cube of this any positive integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Firstly, one must aware about a Euclid division algorithm. What is Euclid division algorithm? Means if you take any two positive integers a and b, where a is greater than the b, then there exists a unique pair of integers b and q, q and r, such that a is equal to b into q plus r. Okay, this is what Euclid division algorithm. By using this, we are going to show this one. Okay, for that, what I'm going to take means I'm going to take, suppose let a be a positive integer, then from a Euclid division algorithm, we can write a is equal to b into q plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r is less than the b. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the b value as a 3. So now consider b is equal to 3. If b is equal to 3, then a can be written as 3 into q plus r and 0 less than or equal to or less than the 3. Now what are the possible values of r? Means the possible values of r that are 0, 1, 2. Then what happen if r is equal to 0? If r is equal to 0, then a is equal to 3q plus 0, which is of 3q. Now I'm applying cubing on the both sides. What you will get? We get it as an a cube is equal to 3q whole cube. That is of a cube is equal to 27 q cube. So from this I can write it as an a cube. I'm writing as an 27 can be written as 9 into 3. So 9 into 3q cube. Can I write? Now if I suppose this part as a m, then a cube becomes a 9 into m, where m is equal to 3q whole cube. Okay, so if I suppose 3q cube is equal to m, then a cube can be written in the form of 9m. That means a cube we got it as an 9m. That means any positive integer, if you take a and b if you take as a 0, then possible values of r are 0, 1, 2. Then if r is equal to 0, then cube of that positive integer is in the form of 9m. Now what is another possible value of r? The possible value of r is 1. So if r is equal to 1, then a becomes what? A is a 3 into q plus 1. For this, I'm applying cubing on both sides. On doing this, we get it as an a cube is equal to 3q plus 1 the whole cube. A cube is equal to 3q plus 1 the whole cube. Now this can be written as a cube is equal to, on elaborating it, this can be written as 27q cube plus 27q square plus 9q plus 1. Now if you observe this part, these first three terms, from these first three terms, we can take as a 9 as a common. On taking 9 as a common from the first three terms, 9 3 is 27. That means 3q cube plus 3q square plus 1q plus 1. Now, if you suppose these are terms which are in the bracket, if you suppose these all together as a m, then a cube is equal to 9 into m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. From this we got as an a cube as an 9m plus 1. So this I am supposing as a second equation. Now what do you understand from this? Means if you take r is equal to 1, the cube of the past two integer can be written in the form of 9m plus 1. Okay, if you take r is equal to 0, cube of past two integer can be written in the form of 9m. Okay, now what would happen if r is equal to 2? If r is equal to 2, then a can be written as 3q plus 2. Then on applying cubing on the both sides, a cube can be written as 3q plus 2 the whole square, whole cube. Now this can be elaborated by using a plus b whole cube, so that this can be written as 27q cube plus 54q square plus 36q plus 8. Now if you observe these first three terms, from the first three terms, if you take 9 as a common, then this can be written as 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q plus 8. Now if you suppose these terms which are in the bracket that are as a m, then a cube can be written as 9m plus 8, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. If you suppose, that means we can write cube of past two integer as a 9m plus 8. This is the third equation. Now if you observe this, any past two integer a can be written as a 3q plus r. If p is equal to 3, a past two integer can be written as 3q plus r. The possible values of r are 0, 1, 2. If r is equal to 0, the past two integer can be written as 3q. Then on cubing on this, the cube of that past two integer can be written as 9m. And similarly, if r is equal to 1, then past two integer can be written as 3q plus 1. Then cube of that can be written as 9m plus 1. And if you take r is equal to 2, that past two integer becomes 3q plus 2. Now on cubing on this, the cube of this past two integer can be written as 9m plus 8. That means from these three equations, we can consider that the cube of any past two integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Therefore, from equations 1, 2, 3, we can say that the cube of any past two integer is of the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8.